Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Look guys, what I have. Get 360 camera. You can see. Okay, let's do the unboxing. We will open it, then I will show you. Okay. There we have this. Okay, this is the camera. It's a user manual. This is the cable, a USB-C type. You can see. This is the pouch for the camera. I will open it later. And this is the land guard. Okay, now we will take our camera. Okay, look, this is a Samsung 360 camera. You can hold it like this. One thing that nobody is mentioned, its body is made with aluminium and its weight is quite heavy. It's a record button. This is its power button, and it for connectivity and menu, Bluetooth connectivity and menu button. This is the indication light. It's a mic, and these two lights are for camera indication that if this one is lit up, it's mean this side camera is on. If both are lit up, it's mean the both side camera is on. So we will do, I will open it, I will on it for you. Let's start. See, now it's open. So I will focus it. Right now it's in photo menu, and it mentioned that you can take this quantity of photos. Then we can change it from here. We will click on the, see, these lights are, both lights are on. So I will click on this button for the menu one time. Now it's mentioned that video. I can make a video of 12 hour and 53 minute 54 second. Actually I have 128 gigabytes of memory card here. It's a power slot, charging slot, and this memory card slot. One more thing, that you can charge this camera with any USB charger. It not came with the special charger. If you want to buy, it's available also. Okay, it's a loop recording. It's a Apple Lab HDR there is the setting menu. I think you're not seeing clearly. I will try, but okay. This again we can come in video mode. This is photo mode. Yes. So hopefully you like my video. Stay watching my channel. Soon I will make a video that how you can connect this camera with your mobile and how you can take your first 360 picture. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.